Deadlifts are often called the king of all exercises. Why? Because they work so many muscles at once and build real-world strength. When you deadlift, you use your legs, back, arms, and core all together. This move is simple but powerful, perfect for anyone who wants to get stronger, fitter, and healthier. Doing deadlifts will help your body in many ways. They boost your muscles, especially your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. Stronger muscles make daily tasks easier, like picking up a heavy bag or playing sports. Deadlifts also improve your posture, making you stand taller and move better. They are also great for burning calories and building muscle mass. If you want to see real progress in the gym, deadlifts are a must. They teach your body how to move safely and lift things from the ground, which is a skill we all need. But remember, deadlifts are only safe and effective if you do them right. Bad form can cause injuries, especially to your back. That's why learning the correct way is so important. Let's break down each step to help you deadlift like a pro. Before you even touch the bar, it's crucial to set yourself up properly. Your stance should be about hip-width apart. To find your starting spot, stand with your feet flat on the floor and your toes pointing straight ahead. The bar should be right over the middle of your feet, close but not touching your shins. Next, choose your grip. The most common way is the double overhand grip, where both palms face you. Some people use a mixed grip, one palm facing you, one away, for heavier lifts. But start simple. Your hands should be just outside your knees when you reach down. Now, bend at your hips and knees to lower yourself down to the bar. Keep your chest up and your back flat. Grab the bar firmly. Your arms should be straight and your shoulders should be just in front of the bar. This is where good form starts. Before you lift, take a deep breath and brace your core. Think of tightening your stomach like you're getting ready for a punch. This helps protect your spine and gives you more power. With your body ready, you're set up for a great deadlift. Let's break down the perfect deadlift, step by step. First, pull your shoulders back and make sure your chest is up. Feel the tension in your whole body. Press your feet into the floor and push through your heels, not your toes. Begin the lift by driving through your legs. Keep your back straight and your hips and chest rising at the same time. Do not let your hips shoot up first or your back around over. The bar should stay very close to your legs as you lift. This keeps the weight balanced and your back safe. Once the bar passes your knees, thrust your hips forward and stand up tall. Squeeze your glutes at the top, but do not lean back or overextend. Your shoulders should be directly over your hips when you finish. This is called lockout. To lower the bar, push your hips back first, then bend your knees. Keep the bar close to your legs as you return it to the floor. Do not drop the bar or let your back round. Stay in control all the way down. That's one perfect deadlift. Even strong lifters make mistakes with deadlifts. The most common error is rounding the back. Always keep your back flat and your chest up. If you cannot keep good form, reduce the weight. Another mistake is letting your hips rise too fast. Your chest and hips should move together, not separately. Losing tension is also a problem. Always brace your core before you lift. Do not let your arms bend or your grip slip. If your grip is weak, use lighter weights or try grip exercises. Remember to start with a light bar and practice until you feel confident. Once you've mastered the basics, you can make deadlifts harder. Try sumo deadlifts, deficit deadlifts, or add resistance bands. Increase the weight slowly and focus on form every time. Consistency is the key to getting stronger. Top tips for building a strong deadlift. Practice often, listen to your body, and never rush. Use good shoes, warm up well, and stay patient. With time and effort, you'll deadlift bigger weights safely and feel like a true pro. Subscribe to Health Stacked for more gym and health tips.